Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So let's talk about ticker symbol GME, which is for GameStop. And you can see last Friday it was up 5.5%. Last 5 day up 12%. Last 1 month 16% up. We know the market came down, it tried to go back up, but looking at GME looks good because in 1 month it is up 16%. So recently I made a video on GME and I talked about some price level and I said if it can hold that 12.5 area, this thing can run again. So I'm happy this thing is going higher, most probably towards $30, provided the market is good. So in terms of day trading, yesterday on my Discord, I think the best one was PRTG, which moved from 6.7 all the way to $13. Just made another video on PRTG. Please check that out. If you want to join my trading community, want to trade with us for day trading, swing trading, option trading, crypto trading, we have a lot of channel here on my Discord. Just go to the first link, patreon.com/the stock analyst. Go there, sign up and get access. So that's PRTG looking really awesome, but that's for another video. But GME, we're going to talk about the chart, but quickly just want to say that the volume of GME always very low, below 20 million. So time to time we see some big spike in volume when the price goes higher, but in general, if you even look at the chart for last 6 months, what you will notice, the volume is usually very low, right? Like never really goes over 20 million. So if you see big surge in volume, that is really good. Even last week the volume was 20 million below, right? Now the interesting thing is now the stock is going higher, and if you look at the option chain, like the call options, I see some 30 strike call option, really good amount of volume here. So some people are predicting this thing can go towards $30 by next week, also around 20 strike price. On the other hand, if you look at the put option, I see around 23 and 22 some good amount of volume. If you look at the call versus put, call is way higher than the put volume. Same thing for open interest, call is 235,000 versus put option 74. So people are betting GME will go higher. Now looking at the 1 hour chart, what you will see that before all the market sell-off, the stock was around $34. Then it came down, got some news about Bitcoin, rushed around $30 $31, again came down, again a big push 29, again drop. So you can see how it is moving. So if you just look at the top here, you can draw a line here, not exactly the same, but maybe this is a better line, better representation of drawing a line. So yes, it was trying to go back up, but each time it was going higher, it made lower high. So this time if the stock runs again and if it becomes the trend, then it might go back to 28 29. But what we want to see the break of the downtrend. If it can break the downtrend, hopefully it will go back to 30. Now looking at the chart, you can see that it was really holding nicely this particular area, which is around 24.3, right? So maybe let me readjust it. So that was a support around 24, then it became a resistance here. Then if you look here, it was acting some kind of a resistance, and now it really pushed higher. So let me update 25, because you can see 25 resistance became 25 support. So in short, like if it can hold that 25 support, or if it drops even below, we are looking for 23 support. On the other hand, if the stock starts going higher, I'm looking at some resistance right around 26.8, after that 29.8. Hopefully if the market is good, it can break through that 26.8 barrier and go towards that $30 mark. So let me know what you think. GME is also a good one for selling option and selling option and getting like weekly passive income. So on my discords, for some people, I have a passive income channel. When the market was good, like we used to sell and get some nice premium on a weekly income, passive, just sell like option and just make some money. So yesterday I just alerted again, like the market was looking good. So for PLTR, like if you sell 89 put option for 85 strike price, then you get $100, and PLTR was around 88 $89. So which is good, right? So and that thing was expiring yesterday, so we made money, right? Because that $100 was easy as a premium. So I see next week, maybe on the GME side, if you don't think it will go below 23 or something, then we can easily like look at the option chain. Sorry, you can look at the option chain, 23 strike price, and you can adjust by yourself. Okay. Sorry. So let me know your thoughts about GME and about overall market. And if you want to trade with us, want to join our trading community, then the link will be in the first comment, patreon.com/stock analyst. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.